Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's Liqueur series, we're exploring Rum Chata.
Rum Chat. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt, tell us about this lovely little tiny bottle you
I have a
have.
mini bottle of rum chata. I drank the whole bottle of the regular rum chata, so we're doing it off this little mini one because that's what I found. So it's good enough. So it's 13.75%. It's a blend of Mexican spices. It's 5 times distilled Caribbean rum and Wisconsin dairy cream. Now, traditional horchata is made with soaked rice and almonds with zero cream, but they add dairy cream to it. The funny part is it says in the little tiny print, it says horchata con rum, which means horchata with rum, but they don't have any dairy in it, but this one does, so whatever. Anyway, so it says it's just made from scratch using real ingredients of rice, sugar, cinnamon, and vanilla, and blended with real dairy cream and other secret spices. It came out in 2009 in Pewaukee, Wisconsin. It's the second most cream-based liqueur sold in the country after Bailey's, so that's kind of interesting. I did not know that. It does not need to be refrigerated either, which is actually very nice. It is, and some of the famous cocktails are the rum chata and coffee, the berry blaster, the chata hot chocolate, the Christmas cookie, the cinnamon toast shot, and the Irish chata. So let's see what we think.
I used to make a drink with rum chata, and what was it? I don't remember what else it was. One was a white bottle and one was a black bottle.
It's probably Myers Dark Rum.
No, it wasn't rum. It wasn't rum.
Ooh, I need a bottle of Sheridan, so I don't have one.
And then ice cream.
That sounds delicious.
And we made floats. I remember
Ooh.
that.
No,
They did say to add it to root beer floats that it was really good. I bet it is.
I blend it. What?
Yeah.
Was it horchata?
It
And rum
could be.
chata?
It smells like,
Yeah.
cream, sugar, cinnamon, vanilla bean ice cream,
I get a
a
big
little
time.
bit of
smell.
rice, and little
And-
smidge of rum.
That's the type of ice cream the drink called from was vanilla bean.
Oh, this smells so good, though.
It smells really good, and I remember really liking the smell of it when I was making those drinks forever ago. My mom turned me on to those drinks, actually.
This stuff is dangerous. When I was doing the research, one says, "Can you get drunk on rum chata?" Yes, you can get drunk on all alcohol if you drink enough of it. Just to let anyone
Seriously,
know,
just drink the whole bottle. You'll be drunk.
Even if it's
Oh.
even if it's a 2% alcohol beer,
you'll get there.
you might take you 10 of them, but you're gonna
Yeah.
feel the alcohol eventually.
Go to Oklahoma,
it's-
they'll tell you.
It's like if you drank a bottle of NyQuil. You shouldn't because it's stupid, but it'll get
You'll
you
get drunk because there's
eventually.
alcohol in it.
So I'm getting a sugary sweetness, but it is
Yeah.
masked to me by a sour milk funk that it's really hard for me to move past.
I don't get sour milk funk.
See, I like this, but I like this a lot. But I like rum chata a lot. If I go to like a coffee shop like 151, their rum chata or horchata they make, fabulous. Violet likes that one. It's a shake too. It's quite good.
Yeah, it's got that cinnamony-ness to it.
Very cinnamony. Cream, sugar,
Cream, sugar.
spice,
Yeah.
rum. Yeah. The rum is like so buried in there though. It's like the
God.
very last note you get.
Yeah.
It's just kind of hidden in the background.
Yeah, the cinnamon's the first thing that
Yeah.
comes along.
Certainly.
If it wasn't as cloyingly clingy,
Which it is.
I would probably enjoy this. The flavor is really nice.
Mhm.
It's not too sweet for the palate. It's balanced with that cinnamon,
Mhm.
but it's got this clingy, almost filmy waxiness that I'm not.
And for me, I like that in a liqueur because I just do. I think it's nice when it's a good liqueur like this one. But yeah, I think this mixed in with like some ice cream or like it's the horchata from 151, fabulous. This is really good stuff. I really like it a lot. They do make one that's mixed with coffee already. I had one. We were going to review it. It's chunky, so I'm going to throw it away.
Thank you.
So we're not drinking that one. And it's like, it's past the point of chunky where it's drinkable, but I have another video about what I'm going to do with that one. You'll see soon in the future.
Hey,
We're going to
let's
release a short about one video that's very interesting that we made the other day. We'll release that later this week for fun.
That one smells better than the whiskeys, huh?
He's like,
Still
maybe.
not good, but
Still not good,
going
but
back to smell mine. All right.
yeah,
And
I
it's
could
cheap.
see
It's
myself
like
drinking this just like it is.
$18. It's not expensive, but it's quite nice. I like it.
I could see myself adding that
Hello,
to coffee.
Weasley.
Yes. Oh yeah, coffee probably really good in coffee.
Yeah.
Like I said, I can see myself adding it to vanilla bean ice cream, blending it up.
Absolutely. Awesome milkshakes with this thing.
I'm gonna have to figure out what that other was
Mm-hmm.
because it makes a really good. It's like 3 ingredients and it makes great drink.
Definitely.
All right. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell and come hang out with us live on Monday nights. And until next time,
Keep on crusading for better liquids in your glass.
cheers.
One more, we're done.